Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the left and we have negative y tan x. So we see that we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative tan x next to y, this is for integrating factor. And we know that tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. So the integration of this one, we will have fn of cosine x. And this one we can simplify and you got about cosine x because we just apply the formula in here. Now, we multiply both sides by cosine x. Next, tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. So if we simplify it and we have negative sine x with y, similar for this one. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we need to use about first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b, and this one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y cosine x. The integration of negative sine x, we have cosine x. Cosine x, we have sine x. And then I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when x equals to negative b over 4, y equals to number 0. And now we put this one to find the value of c. So if we simplify everything, we can find that c equals to number 0, because this one you got 0. This one in here you got 0. And now we can put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.